Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Paolo and today I would like to present to you an alternative approach to using affirmations to help you manifest your desired dreams and outcomes in your life. So like most of you, I first learned about affirmations alongside the law of attraction and of course the movie The Secret, wherein affirmations are being used to help you visualize and manifest a specific outcome in your life. And for most people, and for the traditional way of teaching affirmations, they first teach you to look for an area in your life that is experiencing some sort of lack and then make an affirmation for it. So for example, if you have any financial need, you want to affirm abundance. Or if you have any romantic needs, you are going to want to affirm a romantic partner. And to be honest, even from my personal experience, this approach does not work for too many people. Because first of all, you're asking for an affirmation and you're coming from a place of wanting. You are coming from a place of lack. You are coming from a place of neediness. This first and foremost is already contradicting a basic principle of the law of attraction, that you attract the same frequency that you are expressing out in the world. So if you are coming from a place of lack, you will only eventually attract lack in your life. And apart from that, if you are coming from that place and you are saying affirmations that is the complete opposite of how you're feeling, you are already saying these affirmations without the belief of you actually manifesting your desires, but you are in disbelief that you are what you are trying to affirm. Let's go back to the example earlier. If you are trying to manifest financial abundance, and when you say your affirmation, I am financially abundant, I am financially free, but deep down inside, someone's already talking in your head. It's probably, the devil on your shoulder and telling you, that's not true. You have a lot of debt. You have so many bills to pay. So you telling yourself that you are financially abundant is absolutely bullshit. You know what I'm saying? Or at the time when I was trying to lose weight, I would tell myself affirmations like, I have six-pack abs, I am a sexy beast. And then I look at myself in the mirror and I'd be like, no man, you totally are not. And that's something that I want to talk about in another video. But for today, just going back to the topic, here's a new, more effective way of using affirmations in your life. So, going back to the start, you are going to want to look at a specific area in your life which is not technically working, or which is something that you want to improve. So you first don't want to tell yourself that this is absolutely not true in my life. I would suggest you tell yourself to look for an area in your life that could have some improvement, okay? So after that, you are going to want to ask the question, why am I fill in the blank? So you state your outcome. Why am I fit? Why am I healthy? Why am I financially free? Why am I surrounded by loving people? So these are called lofty questions. And these lofty questions would eventually lead you into an answer of possibility. So just to give you an example, if you want to ask yourself this sort of lofty question, why am I fit and healthy? Usually these answers that would come to you, these would usually be actions or certain situations in your life that is actually possible up then and there. And then that is the affirmation that you are going to want to use. So if you start with the lofty question, why am I fit and healthy? It's because I work out every day, because I eat healthy. I do my research to look for a proper and healthy lifestyle. And once you've said that affirmation, you can then start to visualize yourself doing these affirmations yourself. You are not really just talking about an affirmation of the desired outcome of you being fit and healthy, but you are then affirming a certain action or a certain situation that will help you lead to that desired outcome. So going back to this example, if you want to ask that lofty question, why am I fit and healthy? You can come up with an answer such as, I am fit and healthy because I am, affirmation. So I am fit and healthy because I am eating healthy, because I am working out every day, because I am giving myself the right amount of rest and sleep between workouts. And then usually these sort of affirmations appear to be realistic to you and is something that you have actual control over. And once you have these sort of affirmations that are realistic in your head, these affirmations will lead you to better choices, that will lead you to better actions, that will lead you to your desired outcome. Okay? So first, you do not want to come from a place of neediness and in a place of lack, but rather look at areas in your life that could have some improvement or that is just not working perfectly well. And secondly, you would want to ask a lofty question of the outcome. For example, why am I so confident? Why am I fit and healthy? Why am I financially abundant? And once you've asked those lofty questions, answers will come to you which are concrete and specific. And those are the affirmations that you want to tell yourself, such as, I am setting aside a certain amount from my salary on a monthly basis and investing it properly, or I am going out there and I'm going to find someone and meet some people who are absolutely interesting and share the same values as I do. Or for another example, I am sleeping early so I can wake up early and get more shit done in the morning. So affirm that you are going to do a specific concrete action, and when that action is taken, that will ultimately lead you to the desired outcome that you want. So try it out for yourself and let me know how it goes. And I hope everything works out for you. Life is meant to be absolutely abundant. We are all born as geniuses. We are all born to be happy, and we are meant to be happy, and we are meant to have everything that we want out of life. So I hope this video has been helpful. And again, I invite you to try it out and let me know how it goes. See you.